guys, I'm tikgirl4eve. You see my screen right now. You're gonna be in the corner. You see Bear4 Tick screen right now. So yeah, but let's click play, you guys.
Yeah.
Click play. So guys, I click play.
Play too.
Everybody click play. So yeah. Where are you guys? Oh, I see you. Butterfly, Girl4eve Tick. What's up, Bear? I mean Butterfly.
This is so cool.
What's in my face?
Pop bubble
What just
wrap.
happened, guys? Something just happened to my
Pop
screen.
bubble wrap, Maya.
Why I got settings in my thing?
It's pop bubble wrap. No.
Something happening to my screen. I don't know what to do.
I'm lagging.
Okay, I can tell she's lagging, you guys. Okay, guys, so.
Where are we supposed to get?
I don't know.
I got this coin.
Click the button. I'm clicking the button. I'm clicking the button. Oh, let's go trick or treating. Nah. Yes, no. Yes, no. No. Oh, somebody going trick or treating. Trick or treat. Phew, wasn't a ghost. Yep. Phew wasn't a ghost, y'all. Phew wasn't a ghost. Okay, what we doing next? Okay, go! What's happening? What's happening? I'm gonna get a coin. I don't know what's supposed to be doing right now.
Me too.
Guys, I don't know what he's doing. Let's see what the
I just walked off of the
we're
map.
supposed to be clicking the button, and that person was smart and just standing there clicking the button. Serious level puller. Nah, man, we don't know what's there. We don't know what's there. Why would we do it when we don't know what's there? What? Uh-oh.
6 hours later.
Somebody click the button so that
So what are we gonna do?
what is this? Get to the top before the lava rises. Uh-oh.
No, I did not.
Oh no, Butterfly, you died?
I died.
Bear, you died?
Yeah.
Oh man, I see you guys. Guys, let's tell them to like and subscribe.
Oh yeah.
Guys, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications if you like their first video that they're doing right now, right?
Yeah.
Woo! Jumping, quizzy.
What are we supposed to do?
It says go in the cave, collect it before. It says collect something. I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
No, someone got the diamond.
It's okay.
It's not okay. It's not okay that someone got the diamond.
To get this firework.
You about to get some fireworks?
I got 2 fireworks. I'm gonna get one more firework. No.
Oh, I got a firework.
I got a diamond.
Why can't we watch it?
I don't know. I didn't get a firework.
Me neither.
Me either. Where are we?
Oh, there's a seeker, and we gotta. I'm the seeker. What? I gotta find you guys and kill you guys or find you. Yep, we playing hide and seek in a maze.
Come on.
Oh, there's someone. I just saw someone run. Oh, you killed me? You killed me. You'll never find me. I'm gonna lie people, guys.
But you're gonna find me.
Oh, what if I ever find you? I'm stuck in a maze. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. Snowball fight. Uh-oh, Maya. Tachakaya, Chamaka, Chapatai. Oh, bear. Oh,
I'm dead.
Where did you go?
I'm always up
Why
here.
this person trying to get me?
Hey, get on
person trying to get me.
I'm gonna get you, butterfly. I'm not even up here. I'm not even down there. Where are you?
Ah!
Okay, you dead?
Yeah. Oh, I'm trying to go against this person right here.
Oh, it's just me and you.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Look at that. Oh yeah, me and Bear won. Me and Bear won.
Yeah. What should we supposed to do now?
Avoid the fight. We can't let the person kill us. The person got a sword and we can't let the person kill us. No, I got killed.
You did anything. I just ran away from them.
Spread across the blast gate together to make fireworks. We need to make fireworks, you guys.
No, I needed that firework. I got 3 fireworks. Oh,